Hi honeys, it's Michelle. I'm here today to do my first Shein video. I'm so excited. Have you guys heard of Shein? It seems to be a brand that people, or a site that people love shopping from. It's a bunch of different brands, I think. And one thing I heard about them that is so cool is they give new designers a chance to sell their stuff on there. My order came in a FedEx bag and I'm going to open it with you. Look at everything for the first time with you. Here's the first item. Oh, look at that. They come in these cute little Ziploc bags. These would be kind of nice to keep and reuse when I'm traveling. Okay, this first dress is, it is one of those items that is from a designer, and it was brand new when I ordered it, but to me, this is a fun, flirty kind of dress that can be worn. If you're familiar with where I live, which is Las Vegas, we have a place called Fremont Street where people go to have fun. And it's not just a tourist spot. Locals go there too to party. And it's a little wild there. People are just fun and free. And they get to be who they really are, which I love. Because of that, if I'm going to have a little fun and get a little crazy with what I wear, that's where I'm going to do it. Nobody's going to even notice there. And if they do, well, I probably won't care, but still. So this dress is a t-shirt dress with a cat on, with some glasses on it. And then over it, it's got this tulle skirt. And then down on the bottom, it says love. And I just had to have this. I had to have it. I already got it all planned out. I'm going to put my hair in pigtails. I'm going to put a really cute necklace on. And I'm going to wear my party shoes. My high top Guess shoes that I just think are the cutest. Then I got this top here. Isn't that cute? I love the green color. I don't know if it'll fit. I looked at the sizing, but sometimes those measurements just don't quite really match real life, do they? So here's the bottom of the front. It's got a little sash on the front. So we'll see. Then I got this dress. So pretty. And it's a halter dress, you guys. I love halter dresses. I feel so feminine and beautiful when I wear them. Halter and sweetheart neckline are where it's at for me. So I just have to have it. Have to try it. We'll find out what it looks like, but isn't that pretty though? And it does come with a belt. I will put Shein's website and as much information about each item as I can find down in the description box. I'll put the item numbers and that kind of stuff, what size I'm wearing. And I think after you spend a certain amount, you get free shipping. I'll put that in the, or actually I'll put it up here so you can see it. I got this top here. I just thought it was cute. It's a baby doll top with this little twisty thing across the bust. And this is a 1XL. Then I got this top here. That's so cute. It's a t-shirt, black and white stripes. It's got ruffles on the edge of the sleeves. And then look at the back. Ah, it's got an eyelet bow. It's just so feminine and pretty. I love that. I love a V cut on the back of tops. I love that extra air back there. And I got this top here. I thought that was just so cute. So it's a V-neck top. It does have a strap that goes across. I figure if I don't like the strap, I can just cut it off. It's not a big deal. But it's a peplum top, and it's got a wrap, and then it's got a wrap cut across the bust. I thought it was so pretty. I love this color. Then I got this dress, and this one I remember specifically comes in a bunch of colors, but it's got the puff sleeve with the elastic, and then it's got a wrap up at the top, and then it's got elastic across the waist, and then no wrap at the bottom. It's kind of got like a bell shape on the bottom half of the dress, and it does come with a belt. But isn't this pretty though? It's so summery. And I feel like that dress is another great date night dress. I am all about date nights this summer. That's my theme when I'm picking out clothes. Date night. That's gonna be my world for this summer. Go on as many dates as we can because we had a bad year last year. The whole world did. It's time to celebrate and have fun again, right? And then I got this t-shirt. It's got my favorite flower on it, you guys. It's got daisies on it. I had to have it. I love cornflower blue and I love daisies. The mixture of the two was just, well, it was undeniable. It had to be in my wardrobe. And this is not cotton. It is 95% polyester, 5% spandex. And I gotta tell you, living in the desert, polyester, I love it. I don't find it to be too hot, and it doesn't wrinkle. And this is machine washable too. What do you think of this? I think it's so cute. It's got the 80s shoulder puff on it, which I'm not complaining about. I just think this is so nice. Could be dressed up too with like a pencil skirt and some heels or something. Just to let you know, it's got a button right here so that this doesn't fall open. And I'm all about that life. I really am. Whoever designed this top, thank you. I appreciate the button. Nobody thinks about that, but you did. And I'm saying thank you. Thank you. I love this top. It is so comfortable. It's very soft. And I like how it's got this little dimension here. It hides some of my rollage up here. And the way it's cut right here with the little elasticy right here, it adds a little bit of a feminine dimension to it. And I love the color too. I feel like gray goes with almost everything. This is so fun and flirty. Definitely would have to wear bike shorts under this though, because if there was just a little bit of wind, I'd be flashing everybody. This is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted it to be. It fits exactly the way I wanted it to fit. Is it just me? Molly Ringwald, Pretty in Pink. Right here. Remember? Except hers had sleeves right here. But, right? When she went to the prom? Well, and this is longer too, but oh my gosh, I love it. It's so pretty. This is a crazy cat lady's dream come true. Ah, right? Isn't this fun? I know, it's wild. And I think this was one of those new designers on there. But oh my gosh, this is just so cute. I love it. It's so fun. It's so fun. And I mean, you can tell me what you think, but the truth is, if you don't like it, I don't care. I don't care. I'm going to wear it anyway. I love it. I feel good in it. I feel so me. And that's all that matters. At the end of the day, that's really what fashion is about, right? It's about being able to express yourself, being who you are, and feeling beautiful and feeling comfortable. This is all of that in one. I'm so excited, you guys. I had no idea that Shein had so many beautiful, fun items. And now that I know that, wow, now that I know that, I just, I want to keep shopping there regularly. I'm so happy with what I got. And the quality is good. I thought, to be honest, I thought the quality wouldn't be there, but it is. I can't wait to wear this. I'm going to put it all together. I'm going to be so me. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day or night. I love you. Bye.